am from Bromo City, East Java. Do you know that city? Or do you know what is something special place that's in my city? Okay. Do you ever hear about Bromo Mountain? Or do you ever visit that Bromo Mountain? How is your feeling? It is very fantastic, right? I wanna suggest you, if you wanna get rid, you can go to Bromo Mountain. It's very wonderful. And can you see? It is windy here. It is remind me when I went to Bromo Mountain. It is very windy, and although the time has passed from 9 o'clock, the weather is very cool. So don't forget wear jacket. Okay, if you want to know more about Bromo Mountain, you can watch this video. Okay, let's check this out.
Bromo Mountain is an active volcano and part of Tengger Massif in East Java, Indonesia. At 2,329 meters, it is not the highest peak of the massif, but it is the most well-known. The massif area is one of the most visited tourist attractions in East Java, Indonesia. The volcano belongs to the Bromo Tengger Semeru National Park. The name of Bromo derived from Javanese pronunciation of Brahma, the Hindu creature god. Bromo Mountain sits in the middle of a plain called Sea of Sand. In Indonesia is Lautan Pasir, a protected nature reserve since 1919. The typical way to visit Mount Bromo is from the nearby mountain village of Lawang. Depending on the degree of volcanic activity, the Indonesian Center for Volcanology and Disaster Hazard Mitigation sometimes issues warning against visiting Bromo Mountain. On the 14th day of the Hindu festival of Yadiana Kasodo, the Tenggeres people of Probolinggo, East Java, travel up the mountain in order to make offerings of wheat, rice, vegetables, flowers, and sacrifice of livestock to the mountain gods by throwing them into the caldera of the volcano. To reach Bromo Mountain, you can fly to Juanda International Airport in Surabaya. There are direct flights to Surabaya from Singapore, Kuala Lumpur, Hong Kong, Jakarta, and Bali. From there, continue your journey to Bromo Mountain by booking with a travel agent or driving the Surabaya, Pasuruan, Wonokitri, Bromo Mountain Road. The journey will take 2 till 3 hours. It is best for you to leave Surabaya at 11 p.m. till 12 a.m. in order to arrive in time for sunrise, or you can stay overnight at one of the hotels at Pigeon Terrace to make sure that you are on the crater rim before sunrise. Ponies can take you across the sand sea to the bottom of the steep stairs that leads to the crater.
How do you think? Do you interest to go to Bromo Mountain? Or okay, I have a second place. It is Madakaripura Waterfall. Okay, let's check this out.
Madakaripura, located not too far from Bromo Mountain, near the village of Sapi in the Lombang district. Madakaripura Waterfall is about 3 hours drive from the capital of East Java, Surabaya. The spectacular waterfall lies hidden at the end of the deep valley in the foothills of the Tengger mountain range. To reach this, visitors must trek about 20 minutes crossing rivers and a rocky path set amongst beautiful sceneries along the way before reaching the entrance. Here, a statue of Majapahit's great commander, Gajah Mada, in the seat position of deep meditation greets visitors before they continue further on foot. An atmosphere of natural grandeur radiates around as the waterfall comes into view as rumbling sounds of water grows louder, a spellbinding features of water's curtains cover the pit that will not only please the eyes but also fasten the body and soul. Here, nature gracefully pours her endless, refreshing gifts, making getting wet quiet inevitable. While it may be best to be ready with raincoats or umbrellas, stalls along the trekking path will offer umbrella rentals and plastic bags to protect valuables such as cameras.